Welcome back to Cooking with Cass. Today we're going to be making a quick and tasty dinner with this one-pan chicken recipe. We're going to be slicing 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes into thin wedges, similar to how you'd cut a citrus. Next we'll prepare about 1/3 cup of lemon juice. We start by rubbing the lemons back and forth across a cutting board, which will help release the juice earlier and make juicing easier later. You could get bottled lemon juice instead. Then we'll prepare our red bell pepper by slicing it into small bite-sized pieces. I wouldn't recommend going smaller than 1 inch because the pepper may burn or overcook. Then we'll combine the pepper, the lemon juice, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, our potatoes cut into wedges, salt and pepper to taste or about 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and then we'll give that a good mix. Next we'll brown our chicken with a little olive oil and a basic seasoning mix of salt and pepper. Make sure not to cook the chicken all the way through. We really are only doing this to get a nice golden brown crust forming. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our great recipes. Once that crust is looking good, we'll remove our chicken to a plate and set that aside. Next we'll add our potato mixture with all of its juices, 1/4 cup of halal chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste. Bringing this to a simmer will help our potatoes cook faster once they're in the oven. Once that's done, we'll take it off the heat and pour it directly into a large rimmed baking sheet. Then we want to spread that into one thin layer just to make sure that everything gets cooked correctly. We'll place our chicken next, making sure to add any accumulated juices. Then we'll throw this in the oven for about 40 minutes at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we'll call it good. Thanks for watching this week's recipe, and don't forget to pick up your halal meats from our link in the description below.